Everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we explore fascinating places around the world. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the stunning Newark Park in Gloucestershire, England. If you're a fan of historic houses, beautiful gardens, and a touch of English charm, you're in for a treat. So, let's dive into the story of Newark Park. Newark Park's history dates back to the 16th century, with the original Tudor manor being built in the 1550s. Over the centuries, it underwent several renovations, resulting in the unique blend of architectural styles we see today. As we explore the estate, you'll notice the fascinating blend of architectural styles. The original Tudor structure is complemented by Georgian and Victorian features, creating a visually captivating experience for visitors. Newark Park is a true testament to the passage of time and changing tastes. Newark began life as a hunting lodge in the mid-1500s. It was built by the courtier Sir Nicholas Poynts using medieval stones from a nearby dissolved abbey. The elevated position of the lodge put it at an advantageous height for viewing hunts across the land. The lodge was never Poynts' family home, but he did use it as an impressive place for lavish entertaining. In 1769, Newark Park was purchased by James Clutterbuck. When James died, the estate was passed to his third cousin, Lewis Clutterbuck, who would later become Reverend for St. Nicholas Church in Ozleworth. It was Lewis Clutterbuck and his son, also called Lewis, who commissioned major improvements to the house, garden, and park. These improvements included the landscaping of the garden and estate in the picturesque fashion. The Clutterbucks transformed the house into a square manor with a Gothic porch on the south facade. This created more rooms inside, with Georgian features such as high ceiling and decorative cornicing. This large bookcase is one of few pieces of original furniture at Newark Park that belonged to the Clutterbuck family. The bookcase dates from the late 18th century and it is made from mahogany. The Clutterbucks leased Newark Park to the King family from 1898 to 1949. The King family added a two-story service wing and a porch. They redecorated some interior rooms with William Morris wallpaper and developed the woodland garden. After the King family left in 1949, the house was left to the National Trust. But it was in such poor condition that the Trust considered taking the roof off and letting it become a romantic ruin. That might have been its fate if not for Robert Parsons, an American architect from Texas. Parsons served with the U.S. Army in World War II when he was stationed in England. He worked out an agreement with the National Trust that would let him pay a nominal rent in exchange for taking on the task of restoring the historic house and grounds. The appearance of the house today reflects the restoration of Robert Parsons, the American tenant from 1970 to 2000s. Most of the furniture and decorations are from Robert's time at Newark and are laid out much as he had it, particularly in the dining room and drawing room. However, some rooms retain a strong impression of life during the Georgian or Tudor era. At the top of the house is a bedroom that formed part of the Stuart Long Gallery created in 1650 when the Tudor hunting lodge was extended. The Long Gallery was used for exercise on rainy days and for showing off the family's fine art collection. The Long Gallery was altered around 1800s to create this bedroom and the neighboring exhibition gallery. The bedroom was used by the Laura Ashley Company as the setting for an advertisement in 1988, and the wall hangings are original Laura Ashley designs. Now, let's step outside and soak in the beauty of Newark Park's gardens. The estate is surrounded by enchanting landscapes, including rose gardens and walled gardens. Take a stroll along the walking trails, offering breathtaking views of the Gloucestershire countryside. It's a perfect blend of history and natural beauty. grounds are largely undeveloped, consisting of informal woodlands split by paths, allowing for long and short circular walks. At the base of the cliff below the house itself is a small lake fronted by a walled garden and a summer house. Newark has the reputation of being haunted. One legend is that the spirits of the monks of Kingswood Abbey were brought here with the stone from their old abbey. Newark Park is now under the care of the National Trust, a leading conservation organization in the UK, thanks to their efforts. This gem is open to the public. Visitors can explore the house, gardens, and grounds, immersing themselves in centuries of history and culture. If you're eager to visit, Newark Park is easily accessible by car. It's nestled in the heart of the Cotswolds, a region known for its charming villages and rolling hills. For those interested, the address is Ozleworth, Wotton-under-Edge, Gloucestershire, Gale 12 7PZ, United Kingdom. And there you have it, our virtual tour of Newark Park. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to ZAKAYA for more travel adventures, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, happy exploring.